public appearance po after
Yes,
your...
yes, it's my first public appearance.
And how are you feeling, sir?
Well, I'm getting better. Siyempre, still recovering, no? Road to recovery, but it's a long way to go. No? 3 to 6 months, 6 months to 1 year. Kasi Achilles tendon rupture, you know? So totally hinatan nila at mas pinatibay siya. But it's gonna be better than before. Kaya malaki ang pag-asa ko naman na makaka-recover ako agad. Pero I'm hoping siguro in the next 3 months I can walk na, but I couldn't run. Hindi lang pwede tumakbo.
So how soon will you go back to the Senate, sir?
Mamaya, I'll go to the Senate. Magpapakita rin ako doon, pero against my doctor's advice, no? Matigas ang ulo ko eh. Ang sabi sa akin ng doktor ko, work from home. Pero yung occasion like this is a very momentous event, no? That really have to be here as chairman of the party ng Lakas. So, kailangan nandito tayo to support. At siyempre, yung alyansa ng PFP and Lakas ay napakalaking bagay para sa administrasyon ng ating mahal na Pangulo, Bongbong Marcos. So, yan. Right?